It's a pleasure doing business with you.
Likewise. We'll take the lot.
The ears and hide appear healthy. Record coat quality as excellent. Confirmed, doctor. Metrics updated.
Check the thermal readings on the southeast pasture. Something's irregular.
Already on it. Water intake levels correlate with the slight temperature increase. It's negligible.
All right, get in there now. Come on, move up.
Ándale, ándale, keep moving. Watch it, careful with that one. Cierra la puerta.
Come on now, easy. Keep moving up there, boys. Easy does it.
Watch the Holstein on the right. Easy now, keep moving. Vitals look good on the manifest.
Keep them moving, watch the gate. Clear on the left, sending the next group through.
Registration complete. Perfect, let's move to the next one.
Easy now, you're doing great.
Position confirmed, starting the scan sequence.
101.4 degrees Fahrenheit. Okay, that's within the normal range.
Good.
Optimal.
The data charts confirm the stability of the Holstein models. We can proceed.
Final approval granted for the processing batch.
The analysis shows 0 defects on the surface. Excellent. The elasticity is also within specifications.
The laser alignment looks good on the third hide.
Yes, the calibration seems perfect now.
Place the jacket flat. Ensure the logo is visible.
The seams look perfect. It's a definite pass.
Excellent.
Ready for shipment. The leather is incredibly supple and the stitching is handcrafted.
It's perfect. I'll take it.